Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today I am opening a package that I don't know what's in it. So we get to find out together. It came with a couple other packages. So we'll see what's inside. And this, I believe, is an eBay purchase. So let's see. Okay, they did put a thank you card in here. Thank you for your purchase. That is cute. And it's well protected. Bubble wraps all the way around. Looks like I'll need to cut that. Let's see. Oh, y'all, this is a crossbody. I went back and forth about this purchase. It came so fast because the look of it, I wasn't sure if it was real or not. This is I believe it's the Ellie crossbody. It looked bigger online, but it has a very, like a distressed look to it. I wish they would have stuffed it. And I couldn't find another distressed look in this silhouette at all. So I wondered if this was a real Dooney and Bourke or not. So let's inspect it together. And if you can see what I mean, it's supposed to be more like a natural Florentine leather. They really got it folded. It would have been wonderful if they would have stuffed it, but I'll have to stuff it and puff it back out myself. So let's see, y'all. Let's inspect it and see if it is the real deal. Let's see. Metal zipper. It does have the Dooney and Bourke leather patch inside. If you can see, it does stay since 1975. The key keeper is leather that matches the exterior. They left a key ring on here. Okay. The other side of it has a snap pocket. So the interior is like it's so loud. Y'all hear that? The interior is like a tan and white linen checkered. It's very small or woven linen. This part I could see in the pictures online. It has the Dooney and Bourke on the button snaps. So that kind of helped me think that it was authentic. It has one little spot here. Oh, that came off. Look at that. So no spots. This around here kind of looks like maybe like an additional glaze or something around the Dooney and Bourke. That kind of made me question it. Again, I had not seen this color, like the whole distressed kind of Florentine look on it. So let's see. It does have this on the back, the stamp or embossment for the It says genuine Florentine vachetta leather. I need to Google it, y'all, to see if it's vachetta or vachetta. But it does have that there. And it also has Dooney and Bourke on this snap closure on the back, a snap pocket on the back as well. So, y'all, I'm gonna say that it is authentic. I just could not find another one to compare it to. It has the leather luggage tag, or I think that's what it's called, hang tag. And the straps, it has a little bit of fraying there. The rest of the glaze is pretty much intact. It does say Dooney and Bourke there. So in all, y'all, I'm thinking it is the real deal. I just, again, did not really have anything to compare it to. So anyone that has this silhouette that can confirm that this is the real deal, please comment below and let me know if I got a good deal or if I got. So it looks like the strap comes off also, so I can unbuckle it there, unsnap it there. Like it has some green up under there from over time. So I don't even know, y'all, how old this bag is. I know this silhouette itself has been around for years. Let's see if any on this side. Yes, some under there too. This silhouette has been around for years, and I don't have this silhouette, but I thought it was a pretty silhouette and a pretty look to it to have this. The only description I can think of it is distressed leather. It's not really distressed, but for it to be considered Florentine, the look of it is like maybe they took like a little torch or something and kind of went over certain places. To me, that's how it looks. Let me turn my flash off and see if it makes a difference in how y'all can see it. Let's see. Okay, that may help you all see it better without the flash, to get an idea of it. So, y'all, I think that is real. Let me know if y'all agree or not. I am going to stuff it and see if I can get the bottom of it to widen out some. So of course I have to do my sanitizing process on it. Okay, that's actually helping give it some life here at the bottom instead of it looking so flat. I'm going to do my sanitizing process on it so that it is ready, clean and ready for me to use when I decide to carry it. But I'm actually looking forward to y'all's comments to let me know what y'all think. If it's a dupe, a oops dupe, or if it's the real deal. But I think this would be real cute with some jeans and some sandals to match, or some boots to match. Whoever it was, they carried it, but they took care of it. Because you can tell they carried it, because this has gone back and forth so much that it wore the glaze off, and then the little thread came out there. So you can tell it was carried a lot. It doesn't look like it would scratch like normal Florentine would. And I don't know if that's because of it having that kind of torched or distressed look to it or what. But I'm definitely going to sanitize it and keep it stuffed for a while. Maybe try a warm towel or blow dryer on it to see if I can get it to puff back out. And then go ahead and carry it. It's mine now. I mean, so real or not, whether it's a Dooney or a Fooney, it's mine. So I hope y'all agree that I didn't get got. But I think it's real, y'all. I couldn't find another one that looks like it. So let me know in the comments what you all think. And I look forward to seeing what y'all have to say. But this is another mystery unboxing, unwrapping from eBay. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. As always, you all have a wonderful day.